Typical Elevator, with its unique geographical advantages and cultural heritage, has created a first-class elevator brand in the Midwest area of China. In 1956, elevator industry started in China, which leads to the birth of Typical. In 1984, Xi'an Elevator Factory hosted the foundation of China Elevator Association. In 2002, world-famous elevator manufacturer Otis and Xi'an Elevator established a joint venture, Xi'an Andes Elevator. In 2008, Xi'an Typical Elevator was established by China Typical Group with a core technical team from the joint venture Andes. Today, Typical has integrated passenger elevator, panoramic elevator, bed elevator, machine roomless elevator, freight elevator, dumbwaiter, escalator, travelator, mechanical auto parking equipment, and elevator parts, becoming a professional manufacturing enterprise for the sales, installation, reconstruction, repair maintenance, and technical consulting for modern transportation equipment. By the complete business framework composed of Xi'an Typical Headquarters, Xi'an New Areas Manufacturing Base, Typical Suzhou Branch, and German Kaiserslautern R&D Center will bring you an unprecedented customized experience. Typical has a complete product system for hotel, hospital, shopping mall, warehouse, villa, etc., which can meet your diversified requirements for quality and price. Relying on the rich technical experience accumulation, Typical has expanded its business scope to intelligent parking system to bring you brand new product and service. Typical Intelligent, leading the new direction of future parking space, will provide you the complete product solution to meet different environment for outdoor, indoor, above ground, and underground. Today, all the product series from Typical are not only in the top rank of new technology, but also providing you with old facility modernization and upgrade, old construction environment transform, so you can enjoy incredible value-added service in a limited environment. Typical has been adhering to the business philosophy of mutual benefit and win-win strategy. We are not only putting customer requirements and service first, but also attach much more importance to our agents and suppliers. Constantly sustaining the one-stop marking system from upstream supply to downstream sales is the soul of our year's continuous development motivation. Typical in service.